Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by diagnosing where you stand in political science, core theories, methodology, and contemporary Indian politics. Once done, collect the NET-JRF syllabus and 3-4 standard textbooks. Prioritize topics with high weight. Start a 6-8 months calendar allocating 15-20 hours weekly and block specific hours for theory, polity, and research methods. Make sure to schedule your first mock within 2 weeks to set a baseline and refine weekly goals based on that score. You now intensify study by rotating themes. Allocate 2 topics per day and write 1-page summaries to cement concepts. Simultaneously, solve 10 past papers under timed conditions and review errors with a checklist focusing on knowledge gaps versus time management. Make sure to devote roughly 30% of study time to research methods. Practice simple quantitative problems and conceptual questions until you can explain methods aloud. Once this routine is steady, begin integrating interdisciplinary links and citation practice for answer writing. You enter the final phase with dense revision. Use condensed notes and flashcards for key scholars, dates, and theories. Once per week, take a full-length timed mock under exam conditions and review answer structure for clarity and citations. Make sure to practice writing crisp introductions and conclusions. Polish time allocation to avoid unfinished sections. If progress stalls, change technique. Tutor feedback or peer review often exposes blind spots. And prioritize sleep and stress management to keep recall sharp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.